Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, a place where we unlock the secrets hidden within the world of business reports and prepare for some interesting developments from Eightco Holdings Incorporated. Today we are diving into a recent filing that shows a company making some pretty big strategic moves. Think of it as a corporate strategy session laid bare for everyone to see. If you are interested in understanding how companies are making decisions and what it means for their future, be sure to subscribe and join our Discord community, linked in the description below. This is a look at how Eightco Holdings Incorporated is shaping its future. We are talking about a company that is making significant changes to its structure and operations. This particular report is an 8K filing, which is essentially a way for companies to announce major events or significant changes that investors need to know about quickly. It is not a routine check. Like a quarterly report, it is more like a special bulletin. And the timing of this is quite specific. The earliest event reported here happened on the 16th of December 2025. That is the date we will focus on for the key decisions made. Eightco Holdings Incorporated is traded on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol ORBS. This means their stock is readily available for public investment, and these reports are crucial for anyone keeping an eye on ORBS. Interestingly, the company identifies itself as an emerging growth company. This classification can mean they have certain regulatory advantages and might be in a growth phase. It is a good indicator of their current stage in the business lifecycle. The core of this report details a significant event, the annual meeting of stockholders held on the 16th of December 2025. This is where the big decisions were put to a vote by the people who own the company, its shareholders. A substantial number of shares, over 124 million, were represented at this meeting. That is a strong turnout and shows significant shareholder engagement. It means the decisions made here carry a lot of weight. The first major item on the agenda was a proposal to change the company's charter. This is a fundamental document that governs the company. What they wanted to do was dramatically increase the number of authorized shares of common stock. Think about that change. They wanted to go from 500 million authorized shares to a massive 10 billion shares. This is a 20 times increase. Why would a company do this? It signals a potential for significant future growth, fundraising, or perhaps acquisitions. It gives them a lot of flexibility to issue new stock down the line without needing another shareholder vote for this specific authorization. And the shareholders overwhelmingly approved this. Over 120 million votes were in favor, with only about 3.7 million against. This was a clear mandate from the owners to give the company this much financial flexibility. Next up was the election of directors. These are the people who will be guiding the company. The proposal was to elect Louis Foreman and Nicola Caiano to the board. Both candidates received strong support from shareholders. Louis Foreman got over 120 million votes for, and Nicola Caiano got nearly 124 million votes for. This suggests shareholders are confident in the current leadership's direction and want them to continue steering the ship. Then came a very standard but important vote, ratifying the company's choice for an independent auditor. In this case, it was Stefano Slack LLC for the fiscal year ending the 31st of December 2025. Again, this was overwhelmingly approved. Over 123 million votes were in favor of ratifying the auditor. This is usually a procedural vote, but it shows that shareholders trust the company's oversight and financial reporting process. Now, this is a really interesting one. Proposal number 4 was to redomesticate the company. That means changing the state where the company is legally incorporated from Delaware to Texas. This proposal also passed with strong shareholder support. Moving a company's domicile can happen for various reasons, often related to tax implications, regulatory environments, or even to be closer to key business operations or talent pools. For Eightco Holdings Incorporated, this move to Texas signals a potential shift in its strategic priorities or its operational base in the future. Finally, there was a proposal to approve adjourning the meeting. This is essentially a contingency plan. It allows the board to postpone the meeting if they need more time to discuss or finalize any of the proposals. This proposal also passed, which is common for such flexibility measures. It ensures the company can adapt if unexpected issues arise during important decision-making processes. And the report is signed off by Brett Vroman, the Chief Financial Officer. This confirms the company is officially documenting these shareholder decisions. So, what does this all mean for Eightco Holdings Incorporated looking at these votes? The company is clearly on a path of significant transformation. The massive increase in authorized shares is the biggest headline, suggesting aggressive future plans that will likely involve issuing more stock. This could be for major acquisitions, rapid expansion, or large capital raises. The re-election of directors indicates shareholder confidence in the current leadership to execute these ambitious plans. The redomestication to Texas is also a strong signal of a strategic shift, one that could bring about changes in operational focus or tax advantages. While the voting results are overwhelmingly positive, shareholders should keep a close eye on how these unlocked potentials are translated into actual growth and profitability. The increased authorized shares, while offering flexibility, also carry the risk of dilution if not managed strategically. The move to Texas might bring new regulatory landscapes to navigate. Overall, Eightco Holdings Incorporated appears to be at a pivotal moment, embracing a future that is being shaped by bold strategic decisions and clear shareholder backing. Alright, that is our breakdown of Eightco Holdings Incorporated's recent filing. What is your take on these numbers and what they signal for the company's future? Does the massive share increase excite you or concern you? Let us know in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description for more exclusive content and discussions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.